Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be looking at how to download the ERA5 data on our Ubuntu operating system. So first of all, we have to go to just open your favorite browser and uh, type ERA5 ERA5 data download. Okay, and it will redirect you to the website. And yeah, so go to the climate data, any type ERA5 hourly data on single pressure level, and it will redirect you to the relevant website. Okay, so what we have to do is to go to user guide first, and there are three ways to download the data. So I mean two ways mainly: interactively or programmatically. So since I am here only discussing the large data set, so I will discuss interactive is very simple. So I don't think there is a problem. I will show you how to do that, but how to download it programmatically, that is the interest for us. So it depends upon which user you are. If you are Windows user, then there is another method. If you are a Mac user, there is somewhat different method. But if you are a Linux user, then you need to follow some different steps. For Linux user, it is listed here. So what you have to do is to, first of all, if you do not have the account, please register to the ECMWA website by clicking on this link, and it will redirect you to some login or registering page. So you just have to use this register and fill out the details which they ask. And after once you register, you have to log in to the account which you have just created. Then once you have logged in, then you have to copy the code displayed here. So it could be different for, I mean, it would be different for everyone. So, and then you have to open this file and then paste different variables on the Linux environment. So let's open the terminal and try to see things, how we can do. So let's start by logging in. So let's use your account, and then the password, and hopefully it will log in. And now once it is logged in, what it will do, it will show you these links. So these are my links which is shown here. So you have to copy these links here, and what you have to do is to open the terminal. And first of all, what you have to do is to open the CDS SPIRC, and that is the important thing. So CDS SPIRC, you have to open this file. Okay, so VI, use any of your favorite editor, and you just open this file, and you have to, in the last, I'm sorry, this is not the file which I was expecting to open. Sorry, I'm sorry. It is it is not, so we have to open this one. So this is now, again, this is somewhat difficult. I don't know why it is showing like this. I don't know. Let's see. Let me try this. Yes. So in this file, you have to. I'm sorry. Let's cut it out. It's not. It is creating a lot of issues. Okay. Let's use some different editors. At least let's use code and try to open this one. And in this, we have to, I guess, Okay, so copy these two commands here in your document and then save it. Okay, once it is saved, it will be of different natures. Once you have saved it, just and then what you have to do is you have to install a few CDS API, which is important. If you have not installed it, you will not be able to install your ERA5 data. So just install this by using pip install CDS API. And once the installation is done, then okay, great. So installation has been done. Now you will be able to download your requests. So data. So suppose this is our request. Now copy this request just to test whether it is working or not. Just open the terminal and it will be downloaded in your current directory. So open in gedit. Let's see. And let's see ERA5 test. Okay. .py. This is the Python script. Gedit is not available here. Let's install gedit, latest version of gedit. You can use the code instead of gedit for now. So let's use code and it will open, and let's paste here. I'm sorry. Let's use this command. Let's use this test script, example script, and paste here and save. Okay, just save it, and maybe if you can close or if you want to. Okay, now so use Python. So we have Python 3, I guess Python 3, and then you can use our, there are a lot of softwares. Okay, so Python, and then our ERA5, it will start downloading the data. Okay? So this is the straightforward way to download the data from the website. So this is accepted, running, and not successful, and it is started downloading. So yeah, you can check the download here. You will be seeing this download.grep. So there are a few options for you to adjust certain things. For instance, you can this is for pressure labels, and here you can use a lot of times, year, month. You can add in rows, or you can add a lot of all different columns here. To suppose if you want for 2023 as well, so add 2023. If you want one more month, add here 04 for April. If you want another day, just add one more day data, so 02. Similarly, if this is for 1 hour around 1300 UTC, you can add different time slices. Similarly, suppose if you want for uh, 1400 as well, so this hour is as well. If you want different labels, you can add one more label. For instance, you can add 850 hectopascal as well. Here you can add furthermore. If you want to change the data format, you can of course change. Here you can change the name. Suppose my ERA5, my ERA5. Okay, and it will be downloaded again. So let's try again. Oh, there is syntax error. Okay, I guess you have to be careful about what things you are doing. So yeah, now do this again. I guess some more error here I have made. I don't know why I'm making this error again and again. Hope it is not no error. Yeah. So if you do this, it will download a different data set which will have two more for 2 more years, for 2 more months, for 2 more days, and 2 more time, and 2 more labels. This you can. So this is this script way of downloading the data. Now there is I mean other ways to is just to go to user guide, go to interactive manually, and how can you generate this file. So we have used this file from the example. Now writing it manually will be little tedious. So how we can actually do this? uh, so I think it is very simple. So just go from here, just go to catalog. Okay, here you will be in this type of window. Here you can just go to ERA5, or you can search ERA5 data on pressure labels. And here you will find search. Yeah, so this is hourly data on pressure level. Just click on this one. And here you have overview and your documentation. Just read if you want to read, and then download here. So here are various options. You have reanalysis, ensemble members, ensemble mean, and ensemble spread. So if you want reanalysis, you can select this one, and these are the variables. You can select, suppose one variable I want divergence. You can select as many as you want. Make sure they are not exceeding the chunk size, which they, I mean, there are some limitations as to how much data you can download at once. Suppose, let's see, I want to download it for 2025. Then you have, for instance, let's select January. Let's select one time. And suppose, let's see, two labels or whatever you want to choose. Two labels, and you can also select a region if you want. Suppose I want over Indian region. Let's say this is the northern region. Let's 30. Southern region. Let's 0. And you can choose accordingly as per your requirements. 50, and here you can select each, maybe perhaps 120. And here you can choose netcdf4 or ERA5 or whatever you want. So here these are the options for unarchive. If you have a single file, then it is not needed. If you multiple file, then you might be required. Then you have zip format. Okay. So unarchive is really fine. So it is terms and you have to accept those terms and conditions and show you API request. So here you can find it is showing that this request is incomplete, and we have to see, so month is missing. So you can check what is missing here. So here whatever are checked in green color, they are the requirement for them is met, but for the red, this one, the requirement is not being met. So we have to check again what we have missed. So go for month. Yeah, so we have month. We have to select January. Now it is done. So now we have all the box. Now all the box are checked. So now we have to. Okay, so this is the request. So let's copy it, and then instead of this one, let's put this. Okay. And now one more thing I would like to here mention, that we do not have selected any resolution here. Okay, so whatever we are selecting here is simply no resolution example for no. I mean, there is no example to alter the resolution of this data set. So I don't think we have to check where we can actually change the resolution. So let's me see if there are ways to do this. So go back again and see if there is something we can do. So let's, maybe here we can find something where we can alter the resolution. How to install CDS API. Maybe here we have something, I don't know. I think there is one line which need to be added for the where is the step-by-step guide? I don't know why it is not available. For resolution, there are I don't know, grid. There is one something for grid, but they have not provided it here. I don't know. For Mac user, perhaps there must be something which need to be looked into. Let's check. There has to be an script. I think there is one option which we need to actually provide. So for here, yeah, this is for area, but still there is no part for resolution. So by default, it provides, I mean, the resolution is always 0.25. So if you want to, I don't know, they have removed the regrading option. I don't know why it is. Maybe see if might be here somewhere. Check. This is climate data ERA5 entire series. Here we have overview. Click on the submit form and live request here. CDS API on a Linux and a Windows user for Linux is here. Again, they are redirecting it to the same portion. Sample script. Yes, I think there is. Yeah. So this is the grid. Okay. So this grid need to be specified. So this is for 1.1 latitude longitude default is 0.25, 0.25. So what we have to do is to include this one here. Okay. So this will download the at 1 resolution. So this is important. Okay. Now what we can do is to just run this. Okay. Oh, we have missed this comma. Okay. Let's see now. Yeah, it will start downloading. Okay, this is done. So this is how you download the data. I think things are clear now. What do you have to do? So if you just simply go to the, even if you just go to download data manually, go to catalog. You will find catalog somewhere here. How CDS works, go to catalog, find the data you are interested in, any data which might be of your interest, pressure level, go to download, select the variables and appropriate variables and reason, and then show the API request. Once you have the API request, copy this API request in your Python script and run this Python script from this cell. Okay, these are the steps you need to follow, and uh, don't forget to download the software which I described here. So you have to update something, few things, and install the ERA5 API. These are the things which you have to keep in mind. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.